In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own origami tulips and flower stems. They're really pretty, really easy, nice and fresh for spring. So all you're going to need is a square of coloured paper, whatever colour you want. Now I'm making mine 6 inches by 6 inches, but you can go for any size. And fold it in half. Now if your paper's got white on one side and coloured paper on the other, then make sure the colour's on the outside. So you folded it in half, corner to corner, open it up and fold it in half the other way, corner to corner. So you should end up with diagonal folds when you open it back up. And it should look just like that. Then turn the whole thing over and fold it in half again. But this time you're going to fold the bottom to the top and get a good crease. Now we're going to use this to form what they call a water bomb base. And when you turn it back over, it will want to fold up so that those sides come in. And that's what you're going to let it do, and then press it down flat. So I'll show you that again. Let those sides come in so they meet and flatten everything down. And you should have a nice triangle like that. So then you're going to take the front, oh sorry, I just knocked the camera. We'll carry on. The front right point up to the top and press. Get a good crease. Leave the bottom one there and then do the same again with the top left. And once it looks like that, you're going to turn the whole thing over and repeat the process. Now if you're enjoying this video and making your tulip, please give me a thumbs up so it spreads to more people and more people can make their origami tulips. So once yours looks the same as mine and you've got good creases, take the right hand front and just fold it over. Now you'll see I only folded over the front piece. Turn the whole lot over and repeat that step again just with the front piece. So what should happen now is you haven't got a gap in the middle. It's one solid piece of paper on that front of the square. And the next step, you're going to take that front left and open it up. There'll be a little pocket in there, and you're going to take the right front and feed it in that pocket. So they're both going to have to fold in towards each other, and you want to feed that in. It just takes a little bit of wiggling to get it all to go in, and then press it down flat. So you should end up with a nice straight line at the bottom. You'll see mine's not quite right, but you really want it to be straight at the bottom if you can. Then once it looks like that, turn it over and repeat that step again. So the left hand pocket, poke the right hand corner in and flatten it down. So it should look something like that. Now you want to take those 4 corners that you've got and just open them out a bit. Make sure the bit you've just done doesn't come undone, but you're just opening it out a bit, and that's just to help it inflate when you blow into the bottom. So your next thing is to blow into the bottom and it will inflate. Now I have a top tip for you here because I often have trouble inflating it through that tiny hole. So if you want to, you can always make it a little bit bigger, but I do mean a little bit bigger. I'm using a cocktail stick. You could use what you like, but just make it a little bit bigger and encourage those sides out. Then when you blow in, it'll inflate like that. So now all you've got left to do to get your tulip flower is to peel those petals back. Now you can peel them back as far as you like, and you can curl them as much as you like. Be unique. Make it your tulip. So then you've got a completed flower head, and all that's left to do is make it a stem. So you could use anything for a stem, but you could also make an origami one. So this time you're going to need a green square. Now I've done it the same size, 6 inch by 6 inch, and it's given me a 4-inch stem. You could make it bigger. And all you're going to do is fold that square in half, corner to corner, so that we get a diagonal. And then open it up and make sure that diagonal is pointing away from you. And fold the top right side in so that it runs down that central fold. And then you're going to repeat that with the left hand side. And they should match up perfectly. You can take your time to do that. And then once you're happy with it, we're going to repeat that, but with the bottom edges. So the bottom right side is going to come up to the center. And then the bottom left side is going to come up to the center. So your shape should look like mine. And then repeat that with the bottom. So that bottom right hand side is going to come up to the center again. And then the bottom left is going to come up to the center again. And it should be getting quite narrow now. So you can start to see it is going to form a stem rather than a great big square of paper. And once you're happy with that, you need to turn the whole thing over. And you're going to fold the bottom point right up to the top point. And then get a good crease on the bottom. So just take your time, make sure it's lined up, and then get a really good crease. So use a tool or your fingernail. And then you're going to fold the left hand side over onto the right hand side. Then when you pick that up, you should be able to find your stem is inside. So the little bit in the middle is the stem, and the big bit on the outside is your leaf. So all you need to do is curl the leaf out as much as you want to. Curl it as much as you want, bend it as much as you want, and there you've got a lovely stem with the leaf. So you can just poke that into your tulip flower and you're all finished, or you might choose to add some glue. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you'll subscribe to see more of my videos. So thank you for watching and enjoy your origami.